got oxtail and rice, some coconut milk, some pigeon peas. We have oxtail here marinating, and we have all bell peppers cut up with red onions and green onions. Have our tomato paste here, our beef stock, beef broth. Got the eppies, and these are the seasonings we're going to be using. We're going to be using some cayenne pepper, adobo, oxtail seasoning, garlic, parsley, pepper.
Everything gonna be listed down below.
Yeah, oregano. Alright, so we're gonna we're gonna be using a different type of oil today. We're gonna be using some palm oil. I have some ginger here that I'm gonna grate up. And yeah, come along with us as we cook this dinner.
What you doing now?
I'm getting ready to start frying up around in the shrimp.
All right, you guys, as you can see, you see the green bell pepper, the red onion, and you have some scallion in there, babe.
Yeah.
Also the ginger,
Grated ginger.
grated ginger. Looking good, smelling so good in here. It smells so good, you guys. I think the oxtail is done. Looking good. Smell the ginger, it smells so good.
I'm gonna start off with the palm oil.
What's the palm oil? Is it like a coconut oil?
Yeah, similar to coconut oil.
Similar to coconut. Smells good. We already have all the seasonings, all the garlic, and everything all combined in the sauce.
what we did was get some jumbo shrimp, cut them into 3. And so it's all spread throughout the rice.
And this is just tomato paste, you guys, with the oil. A little bit of oil from the oxtail. And what else you got in there, babe?
Palm oil.
Okay.
A small amount of palm oil.
All right, you guys, here's the rice. Looking so good. It is done. It is done, you guys. It looks so good. So we're just gonna go ahead and put it in this pan, and we're heading over there to Side House. Yeah.
Hey, y'all need to take a picture. Everybody.
Guys, the food is done. Now we are at. You talk.
Yeah, we're stopping by my brother's house, my brother's apartment, where we're gonna have a little dinner
Yeah.
for Mom's birthday.
Get together.
Real small get together.
Why is it blurry?
I don't know. Let me see.
Not bad.
What's up, Zay?
Birthday is a platinum jubilee. How important is the 70th birthday?
Yeah.
This milestone birthday is also often seen as a time to reflect on the past and to be proud of all you have accomplished. But it's also an opportunity to set new goals for yourself. For your 70th birthday celebration, consider hosting a party with close friends or family. So what color symbolizes the 70th birthday? Silver, gold, and black are the traditional colors for celebrating the 70th birthday.
There's the gold.
That's Simon's house.
Yeah.
Well,
Look at the silver.
you should take the blue stuff out.
Oh, we got the gold.
Look at see the silver foil.
Yeah, and the gold on the bottom, and then the black and white on the chair.
Wow, Simon, do you see this?
I see.
Oh my
And then,
goodness, silver, gold, and black.
So now let me grab a lighter that I purchased since I don't utilize. These lighters actually came from work.
We hope so.
From where? Is that the truth?
It is. When we had to clear out our
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you. A happy birthday to you. A happy birthday to you. May you feel Jesus near every day of the year. A happy birthday to you. A happy birthday to you. The best one you ever had. Ooh.
Alright, you guys, we are now closing out the video. We are done. Party's over. You know, Ma had a great time. Everybody had a great time, you guys. Okay, so yeah, you see a little small clip. We didn't film much because we just wanted to enjoy family time. So yeah, we are leaving, and I hope you all having a blessed day, night, evening, and yeah, until next time, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, you guys. And I love you all so much. Until next time, bye y'all.